Buongiorno paesani, it's a beautiful day, it's Labor Day long weekend, and what else? Well, it's a beautiful day for a wedding, yes. I'm doing another wedding today. Look at the setup. It's a beautiful outdoor wedding. Look at all the chairs, everything's set up, it's beautiful. And nata parola cataluquisa. I seem to be having allergies or I have a cold. I don't know what's going on with me. So another word came to mind, which is Sranutari. What is it? What does that mean? Sranutari means to sneeze. And in Italian, it's almost similar. It's stranuto. So this is a word that is almost similar to Italian, Sicilian Italian. So if a Sicilian says Sranutavo, in Italian we say oh stranotato, which is the same thing. So you might understand what they're talking about. And again, in English, it's I sneezed, achum. So that's it for today. Please subscribe to Italiani di Montreal e Amici. We are at 316 subscribers. It is wonderfully amazing to see all of you subscribing and watching my videos. It's telling me I'm doing something right and that you're enjoying them. E mi fanno grande piacere, cataliati, e vi divertite con questi video che faccio. Iscrivetevi a Italiani di Montreal e Amici, continuate a vedere i video, condivideteli e divertitevi a vederli. E, come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu!